In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete job alerts on LinkedIn. Let's face it, staying organized and keeping your LinkedIn notifications under control is essential, especially when you're on the hunt for a job or just trying to keep your profile up to date. So, whether you've landed the job of your dreams or your search has shifted, managing these alerts can simplify your notification inbox and let you focus on what's actually important to you. First things first, make sure you're at linkedin.com. Head to your browser, type in the LinkedIn URL, and press enter. Once you're on the website, you'll want to log in. You can do this by signing in with Google or Microsoft, or by entering your email and password. Don't worry if you're prompted to verify your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a great security measure, LinkedIn might send a verification code to your phone. Just input that code and you'll be set to move forward. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed. Direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Jobs tab. This will take you to the Jobs section where all the job-related features and alerts are housed. Once there, look toward the left side of your screen where you'll see a menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on Preferences. This is your gateway to controlling the job alerts you receive. Within the Preferences section, you'll see an option for job alerts. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a list of all the job alerts you've set up. Now, to modify these alerts, locate the pencil icon in the upper right corner of this pop-up menu. Click on it to start editing your job alerts. The next step involves finding the specific job alert that you want to get rid of. This might take a moment if you have multiple alerts set up, but take your time to identify the right one. Once you've found the job alert you wish to delete, simply click on Delete Job Alert. It's as easy as that, but LinkedIn does one last check with you to ensure you want to permanently remove this alert. You'll be prompted to confirm the deletion, so go ahead and confirm when you're ready. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a job alert from LinkedIn, making your notifications a bit tidier. This will help you stay focused and ensure that you're only seeing the opportunities or information that matters most to you. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check back anytime for more LinkedIn tips and tricks.